In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and unlink GCash in Grab. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your GCash wallet for easy top-ups and how to remove it just as quickly if you no longer want it linked. Let's start with linking. Open the Grab app on your phone and make sure you're on the home screen. From here, tap Payment. This takes you to your wallet and payment hub inside Grab. Next, tap Cash In. On the Cash In page, look for e-wallet, then select GCash. At this point, simply follow the steps shown on your screen. You may be asked to allow Grab to connect to your GCash account, confirm your mobile number, and enter a one-time password. Just complete each prompt as it appears. When everything goes through, you'll be brought back to Grab, and you should see GCash listed among your payment methods. That's your confirmation that the link is successful. A couple of quick tips while linking. Make sure your internet connection is stable and that the number you use for GCash matches what you're confirming during the prompts. If you're asked for verification codes, enter them only within the official GCash or Grab screens. Never share those codes with anyone. Now, if you want to unlink GCash from Grab, it's just as straightforward. From the payment section, look for the gear icon, which opens your payment settings. Tap that gear icon, then choose All Payment Methods. This page shows every payment method currently connected to your Grab account. Find GCash in the list, tap it, and look for the option to unlink. Confirm your choice. Once unlinked, GCash will disappear from your list of payment methods, and Grab will no longer use it for cash-ins or payments until you link it again. A few things to keep in mind when you're unlinking. Removing GCash from Grab doesn't close or affect your actual GCash account, and it doesn't delete any balance you have in Grab. It simply disconnects the two. If you ever change your mind, you can repeat the linking steps to reconnect. If something doesn't work as expected, check for app updates for both Grab and GCash, ensure you're connected to a reliable network, and try again. Most issues resolve with a quick refresh or by completing any pending verification inside GCash. That's it, linking and unlinking GCash in Grab made simple. Follow these steps and you'll be set up in minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.